Hi you guys, I'm Danielle M and welcome to my channel today. I am super excited for this DIY act of kindness and I need you guys to help me out on this video. I'm so excited because it's not only something I'm going to be doing for somebody who's very near and dear to me, but it's also going to be something that I hope that you guys get involved to as well and do for somebody who is near to you. And together we are going to spread so much kindness in this world and be such a blessing and let other people know what a blessing they are to us. Let me explain. So I have a friend who's a very dear friend of mine and we actually met in Florida, but she currently lives in Chicago and we live here in Wisconsin. And so tomorrow my family and I are all gonna drive out and meet her and her husband and spend some time together. And I was thinking about what could I do for a video this week, and I thought about her and I was thinking she's probably gonna have a gift for me when I see her tomorrow. I'm not expecting it, just she often does that. She often has gifts for people, and so I was just thinking I really wanted to make sure I had a little something for her to be a blessing to her, to let her know how much of a blessing and an encouragement she is to me so many times. In fact, when we moved here to Wisconsin, even though I hadn't talked to her in months and months, she was the first person to ask me how I was doing when we got here, and she also sent me a gift in the mail, and it was such an encouragement to me, and it was exactly what I needed at the time. It was a book of devotionals and it was just so sweet, and she's just always like that. She's a gift giver, and so I think she is the perfect person to start off this hopefully fun idea that's going to travel across to tons and tons of other people. But I need your guys' help. So what is a blessing box? So the blessing box is going to be little items for whoever you're giving it to. It can fit any budget and it can be suited to whoever you're giving it to, something to suit their needs. So maybe you want to put together a little charcuterie board inside of your blessing box. My dog. Maybe it could be like after school supplies for a teacher, or maybe it could be a box of sunshine, which means lots of happy yellow things inside of your box. There's just so many options, and no matter what your budget is, you could fill it up with cookies or baked goods, you know, whatever you want. So I got things. I will show you guys what I got for this specific person in my life. And the idea is she's going to take those items and she's gonna receive them and remember what a blessing she is, and just let her know how thankful I am for her. And then she's going to take the box that we're gonna make and she's gonna fill it up with something else for someone else, and she's gonna pass it on to them, and hopefully when they're done with it they'll pass it on to somebody else, and so on and so forth. And so with you guys helping me and you all making your own blessing boxes together, think about how many people we can touch and we can encourage and we can let them know that they matter and that they're seen and how wonderful they are. So I need you guys to get involved, and I hope when you guys do this you will tag me so I can see all of the blessing boxes that you guys made. Tag me at Danielle M and hashtag the blessing box, and we are just going to pass this on and spread kindness and joy and happiness all over the world. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do your little blessing box and hopefully inspire you.
Even in the darkest night, you shine so bright.
Okay, you guys, this is the top. So you guys saw me working on this box. I got this at Target. I was just looking for a box and I couldn't find any like regular gift boxes, and then I stumbled upon this. It actually came in a set of 2 and there was a smaller box inside, and I'm giving it to my daughter because it's perfect for her like art supplies and stuff like that. But this is going to be perfect for our blessing box. So I went ahead and used my Cricut to get my letters there for blessing box, and then when the person opens it up, this, oh, let's not make it upside down though. This is what it'll say. Now I did want to use my printer for this, but I was out of ink, so I hand wrote it. So you can do it whatever works for you. Let's take a minute to pause right here so you can copy this to your blessing box. I'll also add it in the description so you can copy it from there. How cute is that gonna be? I cannot wait. You guys, I am so excited for this video, probably more than any other video, just because it's such a fun thing that can touch so many different people. So please let me see your guys' boxes because it's just gonna make me feel so happy and excited. let's fill the inside of our box now. For my friend, I did go ahead and when I was at Target, got this paper shred. I love to use this inside of packages. So we are going to open this up and put some in here. A lot actually comes in one of these, but since my box is kind of big, I did want to get 2 of them. We'll see if one is gonna one might be enough, you know? We'll add a little bit more. Okay, so I think 1 bag of that paper shred is actually quite perfect. And most of the stuff that I found to go inside of here is going to be from World Market because it's like the best place to buy gifts from. I got this table runner. It took me a while to figure out what kind of theme I wanted to go for, and I ended up just wanting to have it to be really feminine, kind of pretty look. And so I saw this table runner and I thought it was something I could just see her using, and I just thought it was so pretty. And so I went with this, and I think it'll look so nice in our box as well. The next thing I got was I saw these little vases that were so pretty, and I love the color of them. These were also at World Market for $1.99. And then I got this little what do you want to call it? What does it say? Eucalyptus bundle, which I also thought was really cute. And I'm just going to put it in here. I just thought it was so feminine and pretty, and so we're gonna put that in the box. Our box might have a hard time closing with that vase in there. We'll see. I wish you guys could smell this candle. It's honeysuckle fragranced candle by Bougie Perfume. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it smells very pretty and very feminine and girly, but not like not too much where it makes you nauseous. You guys know what I mean. I don't know how much this is, but I don't think it was that much. I actually think this was one of the cheaper candles. If I remember right, it was like $8.99 for this little candle. You can get really nice candles at Walmart as well. And then I got her this Pink Peony hand care set, and it was on clearance. So I don't remember how much I paid for this either, but it was not very much. And so we're gonna put that in there. And then I got her these She cards, and just because I know she's like a gift giver like me, I figured this is something she would probably use to send cards to other people. And I just thought they were really fun. It says she makes the world a better place. She just has a way of brightening the day. She must be something special. She makes life fun. So I really thought they were cute. The little envelopes are really pretty as well. And so I just got her that little set of cards. Again, I just like the way it looked, and I thought it would be really cute in this gift basket. So we're gonna add that in there. And then of course I wanted to get her some pens because they just look like they would be perfect for in this gift box as well, and with the little cards in there. And then to round up our gift basket, I got her some chocolates because I feel like any good gift basket for another woman should have some kind of candy or chocolate in it. And I know she's a coffee lover, so these Kona coffee milk chocolates are just perfect for her, and I know she will love them. So we are going to add those in. It's our very last thing here. Let me show you guys our little gift basket. Okay, doesn't that look so pretty and girly and sophisticated and pretty and all the things that I wanted it to be. Now I'm worried about this because it is above my rim a little bit. We might have a hard time closing this. Let's go ahead and put our blessing box on. You guys, I did use washi tape around this, and I just glued my paper, the back of this, to this board. But my washi tape does want to come up a lot, so you might, if you end up doing something like this, maybe glue down your washi tape as well. If you can tell, it keeps wanting to curl up on the corners. And I've been pressing and pressing and pressing, so hopefully it's gonna stay down. And then this is also washi tape, and those are just some little heart stickers I added on. Make sure you line up. So this is the front of the blessing box, there's a little tag there. We want to make sure when she opens it that this isn't upside down. So just be cautious of that when you do this. Let's see if we can get this baby to close. Definitely closes, but it doesn't close super tight. So what I think we'll do is get some ribbon and tie it around here, make a bow. It'll be super cute. There you guys have it. Finished box. I did end up putting that ribbon around it just to kind of keep it a little bit tighter. I just used some of this. Nothing fancy. Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you make your very own blessing box and together we can stay in a glow wherever you go. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.